Welcome back to TV5 News at 9. Some doctor offices are trying to take the hassle out of healthcare by making it as convenient as online shopping. Calling in this morning to tell us a bit more, we have Dr. Bob Murray from NextGen Healthcare. Dr. Murray, good to see you.
Good to see you, Sierra.
Yes, thanks for being here. So tell us a little bit about what it's like accessing and managing healthcare right now and how it currently is for most Americans.
Yeah, a lot of Americans spend a lot of time managing their health care. They're estimating maybe 8 hours a month managing that of themselves and their loved ones. And a lot of that time is not spent very efficiently. There's a lot of hassle. You might call the doctor's office and be on hold, and you have to wait weeks and weeks for an appointment. So we think it can be a lot better.
And Dr. Murray, tell us, why is it so important to kind of reduce hassle when it comes to healthcare?
Well, a lot of people, because of that hassle, are either delaying health care that they need, or they're just not seeking it at all. A lot of folks don't have a primary care physician, or they just find it so inconvenient to try to get to the doctors or get a message or get a question answered that they don't do it, and then their health care suffers because of that.
And there are some new options in technology that kind of offers patients more options when it comes to managing their health. What are those options?
Yeah, a lot of doctors' offices have technology that lets you schedule appointments online, or, see your entire health record, or send them a message if you have a question after or before a visit. You can have a virtual visit. You can fill out all that paperwork ahead of time to really maximize the amount of productivity and the effectiveness of the time that you have in the office with the provider, as well as just minimize the hassle and value your time as a patient to get the answers that you need.
Yeah, and how can changes like these kind of help people shop around for a doctor that's the right fit for them?
Yeah, well, a lot of people find for their doctor, through word of mouth, asking friends and family, which is great. But take the extra step of going to that doctor's website and just seeing, do they offer these kinds of tools, or is it an old-style doctor's office that maybe is going to, be less efficient? And does it seem like the personality of the physician matches you? And don't be afraid to shop around. If you don't like the first doctor or you don't have a good interaction with their office, try to find another one.
Good stuff. So how should people approach that first appointment with the new doctor and make sure that they're asking the questions that are needed?
Well, I always encourage people, I'm a family doctor, and so I encourage people to think about and write down what you would like to happen in that visit, what questions are you trying to get answered, or what things can be a part of the discussion with you and your doctor. Hopefully your doctor also has some digital tools so that all of that wasted time, filling out paperwork and, paying the copay and all that kind of stuff, all of that can happen ahead of time and maximize the value of the visit time with the provider itself.
Dr. Murray, anything else you want to add?
No, you can check out, our kind of digital tools for doctors' offices at NextGen Healthcare by going to nextgen.com. Thanks for having me.
Perfect. Thank you for being here. And you can find more information in the hot link section of our website, WNEM.com.